typical day, well, we don't have typical days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Summarize.
I guess a more normal day would be spending a lot of time coordinating with my team.
It's usually hard to describe. Every time I've asked a project manager what to describe like their job, they have trouble because it can be so many different things, honestly. You're managing a budget, you're managing the schedule, document control.
We're gonna start this for when?
They'll be doing rebar inspection, QA, QC.
So a lot of times just working hand in hand with the architects, superintendents, with the project managers or the trade partners to make sure we have the same direction, the same focus of where we're supposed to be at.
Having a single source of truth is critical to the project. The amount of information overload that comes to a team that has to get sorted through is massive. We're all in project site every day. That's where all of our project documents live. Every drawing set, every revision, every RFI, shop drawing, submittal, product data, that's where it all lives. So we are all in there every day.
We use Trimble Connect, we use Project Site, we use Viewpoint, and those programs do all talk to each other, especially when we're trying to manage the budget or cost. A lot of that information gets pulled from Viewpoint into Project Site and see them more in a more graphical sense.
I can point to whatever the issue is. Let's just say the issue is right here. I'm in that spot and I want to create an RFI. That's one of the things I like about this. So I can put it here, and then I don't have an RFI, but I do want to create one. So boom, I can do all my work right here.
These are all the change orders that have been issued on the project. If I'm over here in the subcontractor ledger, I can pull up this report and drill down, and it's going to show me some of the balances, like current contract billed, which I can double check against their change orders over here to see if they've billed for a change order.
So we use Trimble Connect as like an online repository for the sharing of all of the trait models, which we then amalgamate in these federated models, overlaying all of the geometry so we can review it for any clashes and resolve any issues. Kind of like a live feed of our most up-to-date information in the field. They can access this and really get a good sense of what they're trying to install.
Something Trimble does really great is they provide a value that you just don't see in the rest of the market. They offer the ability to modify the software as the needs of our business change and as the industry advances. That's a game changer kind of for us because it saves the client money, it saves us money.
So it really does do a lot to keep what our philosophy of trying to stay on time, be on budget.
It has been able to, increase my productivity with a lot of the things I do on a day-to-day basis.